Deep within the silence of an ancient workshop, a master artisan touches a weathered stone, feeling the hidden pulse of a treasure long forgotten by time. For centuries, this rough exterior has guarded its secrets, masking the vibrant soul of imperial green jade beneath a layer of humble earth and ancient stone. A sudden spark of light penetrates the darkness, revealing a glimpse of the magnificent spirit dwelling inside, burning with a brilliance that only nature can create. This is the moment of discovery, where the eye of the master sees beyond the surface, recognizing the priceless value hidden within this heavy, silent rock. With a steady hand, the first lines of destiny are drawn, mapping out the path where the blade will soon cut to liberate the sleeping beauty. As water touches the surface, the stone begins to breathe, showing its true colors for the first time as the artisan prepares for the decisive transformation. Every breath is calculated and every gaze is focused, for the journey from a raw boulder to a royal masterpiece requires patience and an unwavering vision. The preparation is complete, and the stage is set for the most critical moment of the process, where one single cut will determine the future fate. The blueprint of royalty is laid bare upon the rock, a silent promise of the elegance and the splendor that is about to be revealed very soon. Now, the silence is broken by the roar of the machine as the diamond blade descends, ready to pierce the heart of the ancient mineral giant. The collision of metal and mineral creates a symphony of power, as the water washes away the debris to keep the internal jade cool and protected. In this dance of water and fire, the artisan guides the blade with precision, navigating the internal stresses of the stone to avoid any hidden fractures. Deep into the core, the blade travels, a journey through millions of years of geological history, searching for the perfect saturation of the imperial green color. The tension in the air is palpable as the machine hums, a testament to the heavy labor required to extract beauty from the Earth's toughest grasp. Almost there, the final barrier of stone is about to give way, revealing the hidden treasure that has been waiting for eons to see the light. As the noise fades, the artisan reaches into the steam, ready to witness the moment of truth that defines the success of the entire harvest. The stone parts, and like a miracle, the imperial green heart is revealed, more vibrant and more perfect than anyone could have ever dared to imagine. Look at the depth of the color, a rich royal hue that signifies the highest quality of jadeite, destined for the halls of kings and queens. Success is etched on the master's face as he examines the flawless texture, knowing that this single block will yield several pieces of legendary jewelry. The rough husk is gone, and the soul of the Angok jade is finally free, ready to be shaped into a form of unmatched royal elegance. The delicate work begins as the artisan uses high-speed drills to isolate the perfect portions of the jade, carving out the foundation for a ring. Every millimeter matters in the stage of the process, as the artisan carefully shaves away the excess to find the perfect symmetry for the jewelry. With the precision of a surgeon, the master carves traditional imperial motifs, breathing life and story into the hard surface of the precious green stone. Through the lens, every tiny detail is magnified, ensuring that the ancient patterns of the royal court are replicated with absolute perfection and great care. The hard stone yields to the master's touch, transforming into a canvas of flowing clouds and mythical symbols that represent power, prosperity, and eternal life. A collection begins to take shape, each piece unique yet connected by the same vibrant green soul, waiting for the final touches of the artisan. Precision is paramount as the artisan drills the connection points, ensuring that the stone can be securely married to the precious metals of the setting. Cleaning the details is a labor of love, revealing the sharpness of the lines and the depth of the craftsmanship that defines high-end royal jewelry. Even in its matte state, the beauty of the carving is undeniable, showing the skeletal structure of the masterpiece that is slowly coming to life. These hands, though tired and dusty, possess the wisdom of decades, guiding the jade through its long journey from a mountain rock to a crown jewel. The final refinements of the carving phase bring a soul to the stone, making the motifs leap out as if they were alive and moving. The transition begins as we enter the world of polishing, using various grades of abrasive materials to smooth the surface of the carved jade pieces. Each step uses a finer touch, slowly erasing the marks of the tools and preparing the stone to reveal its internal fire and deep luminosity. A special compound is introduced, acting as a bridge between the stone and the shine, bringing out the inherent glow of the imperial jadeite mineral. The first signs of the mirror finish appear, a breathtaking moment where the dull stone suddenly begins to reflect the light like a deep pool. It is a delicate dance of pressure and heat, as the artisan must be careful not to overheat the stone while achieving a perfect, glassy surface. The shadows in the carvings become deeper and the highlights become brighter, creating a three-dimensional effect that makes the patterns pop with royal elegance. No detail is too small for perfection, as the master uses traditional tools to ensure the shine is consistent across the entire surface of the jade. The water test proves the smoothness. The surface is now so perfect that nothing can cling to it, leaving only a pure and radiant glow. This is the peak of the polishing process, where the jade achieves its legendary watery head, a look of liquid transparency that is highly prized. The stone has been reborn, transformed from a dusty rock into a glowing orb of light that seems to hold a universe of green within. Light no longer just hits the surface, it enters the stone, dancing through the jade-eyed crystals and returning as a soft, ethereal green radiance. With a final wipe, the polishing is complete, leaving behind a surface that is as smooth as silk and as bright as a summer's day. They sit and wait, ready for their final union with gold and diamonds, the centerpieces of a collection that will soon define royal luxury. The heat rises as we move to the goldsmith's bench, where precious metal is melted down to create the royal frame for our emerald treasure. Like liquid sun, the gold fills the mold, taking on the elegant shapes designed to complement and protect the precious jadeite for generations to come. Every strike of the hammer is a note in the song of creation, shaping the gold with the same care and precision used on the stone. The marriage of earth and fire begins, as the cool green jade is finally united with the warmth of the gold and the sparkle of diamonds. Dozens of tiny diamonds are added, like stars orbiting a green sun, enhancing the natural vibrance of the jade and adding a touch of brilliance. Security meets beauty as the gold shawls are folded over the jade, ensuring that this royal treasure will remain whole through the passage of time. Even the hidden parts are masterpieces designed to maximize the light play and show off the incredible transparency of the imperial grade stone within. The quality must be beyond reproach, a standard fit for royalty, where every weld and every setting is executed with the highest level of mastery. With a final blast of steam, the dust of the workshop is gone, and the true glory of the imperial jewelry set is finally ready to shine. Witness the finished masterpiece, a harmonious blend of nature's finest mineral and man's greatest craft, radiating an aura of timeless royal power. As the camera circles this treasure, observe how the color shifts and glows, a living green fire that seems to burn from within the stone. Look deep into the heart of the jade, where the history of the earth is written in shades of emerald and forest green, frozen in perfection. On the hand of its owner, the piece comes alive, a symbol of status and a testament to the journey from a rough rock to a legend. From the humble earth to the height of luxury, this is the story of transformation, where vision and skill turn the ordinary into the extraordinary. The journey concludes as the masterpiece is tucked away, a legacy of beauty that will be whispered about for many generations to come. Hoising Motwin Twai the rebirth of a legend. Thank you for witnessing the incredible journey of the imperial jadeite, a gift from the heart.